So today we're going to make a beech wreath. So that's using beech leaves that are preserved in glycerin, 1 part glycerin and then 2 parts water, and they've been sitting in that glycerin overnight, just soaking it up, and that preserves the leaves, makes them go nice and shiny, and then we'll be able to use them on the wreath. So then you need a wreath ring like this, and then some floristry wire and your snips. So basically it's to take out the branches that have been soaking in that glycerin, and glycerin you can pick up in your local pharmacy or your baking aisle of your supermarket, and it's a vegetable oil product and it just helps it preserving them. So we'll just pop that to one side. So now we have some lovely autumn coloured branches, and I'm going to put this all the way around the wreath and make an everlasting autumnal wreath that will last up until you change your wreaths at Christmas time. So what you're going to do is just lay the foliage piece by piece around the ring and attach it on until it's nice and thick and you don't see that metal wreath at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. So what you want to do is just attach the wire, secure it at the back, attach it on that first branch. And you want to be pulling the wire quite tight. And do the next one. Just winding that floristry wire around. All you need to do now is just secure the wire off, and there's your lovely beech wreath. You can hang anywhere in your home. A beautiful autumnal arrangement, preserved and dry, and doesn't it look lovely? Well, thank you for watching today, and if you've enjoyed the content then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.